Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the bacon dance. Get ready to sizzle and shine. The bacon dance is a wonderfully whimsical way to express joy and energy. Imagine yourself as a strip of bacon, gently cooking in a pan. You'll learn to embody that delightful sizzle and playful flop, bringing smiles to everyone around you. It's a simple, yet incredibly fun, dance that anyone can master with just a few easy steps. Let's dive into the core movements. Begin by swaying your hips gently from side to side, imagining you are a piece of bacon starting to warm up. Next, introduce quick, small shivers through your shoulders and arms, creating that iconic sizzling effect. Bend your knees slightly to add a bouncy, fluid quality to your movements. Finally, for the flop, briefly relax your entire body, letting your arms and torso drop slightly before recovering. Now let's add some personal flair to your bacon dance. Don't be afraid to vary your speed. Sometimes you're a slow, gentle sizzle, other times a rapid, crispy delight. Use your facial expressions to truly convey the joy and playfulness of the dance. Experiment with arm movements, perhaps a gentle wave or a quick flap. Also, try different levels, moving from a low crouch to a standing position, adding dynamic range to your performance. To truly master the bacon dance, practice is key. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes practicing in front of a mirror to observe and refine your movements. Put on some upbeat music to help you find your rhythm and boost your energy. Don't hesitate to perform your dance for friends or family. Their reactions will surely build your confidence. Most importantly, remember that the primary goal of the bacon dance is to have fun and spread a little joy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.